Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account. Use the account tied to your subscriptions. Once signed in, navigate to your profile and billing area to locate country/region settings. This is where Microsoft links services and taxes. Make sure to have a valid local address and payment method for the target region because Microsoft requires them to enable purchases and store localization. By starting here, you avoid interruptions to billing, subscriptions, and region-locked app availability. Now change the region setting in your Microsoft account profile. Go to your Info or Payment and Billing, choose Edit Country/Region, and enter the new address. Confirm changes when prompted. Next, update your billing profile with a local payment method to prevent purchase failures. Cards or local payment options must match the new country. If subscriptions or apps are region-locked, make sure to cancel or pause them before switching so you don't lose access. Once updated, allow a short propagation period for services. Finish by signing out of Microsoft on all devices and signing back in so settings propagate. This forces the store and services to refresh localization. Re-download any region-specific apps and confirm subscription statuses, since some services require reactivation under the new profile. If you encounter blocks, make sure the payment method and address exactly match the new country, clear browser or app cache, and retry. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with account details. They can resolve billing holds or region lock exceptions for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.